Hello everyone, Mohammed here. I found an awesome feature on Camtasia that I think would definitely save a lot of time, especially when you are rendering the video. So there's a feature called batch production. So if you will see it over here, it's called batch production. What it does is that, let's say that if you are done with editing the video and everything is done, you just save the file as Camtasia project file. And here what you can do is you can do the batch rendering. So let's say if I am, let's say that if I have this particular file, which is a Camtasia project file, and I will just double click on it, and let's say if I have another project file that I want to render, so I will just take this file and then this file. So these are the three different project files that I have, and if I want them to render it together, this way I don't have to render it one by one. All I have to do is add all of my project files over here. It will give me an option to select the best pixels I want, and then I'll click on next. It will tell me the location where I want to save, so I will just change the location, putting it over here, and you will see rendering of all the projects started. So it will do it one by one. So once I'm done with this video, then it will render this video, and then it will render this video. Awesome. So if you will see, once you are done with all the videos, you will see this pop up over here. And now if I will open up the production folder, I will find all the videos over here. So you see 2 over here. It means that they have created a new folder. And now I have the videos with the PNG, which is awesome. Like, this is exactly what I wanted. So perfect. So I hope you liked the video, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.